Hi, I'm going to do a walkthrough for the tune of Elkins. It's a fiddle tune written by Larry Unger. He's on YouTube as Larry Unger Music. And yeah, so the tuning I'm in double C, except, and so you're playing double C, that would be fine. But I've lowered my fifth string down to E. So that's the same note as the second fret on the first string. But you can play in standard double C, and that's fine. So that's E, C, G, C, and then D. And the position that you kind of keep coming back to is that. That's the C major chord, but it's not used so much in this tune. Anyway, this is how it goes. There's an A part and a B part. That's the A part, and then the B part is lovely, really, really good fun to play, and it sounds beautiful. It goes like this. Twice, and that's how it works. Okay, so the A part starts on the open fourth string. I'll just show you exactly how it goes. Second fret, fourth fret. It's kind of a bit of a jaunty, bouncy feel to it. So, second fret, fourth fret, open second string. And then there's a hammer on and a pull off. Second fret, third string. Fourth fret, fourth string. Second fret, fourth string, pull off. So that's open second twice, second fret third, and back to open second. So my head cut it the wrong way around then. So you've done that. Then it's open first, drop thumb to the open second, and second fret third and open third. And then down to the same pattern again. So that's the start of the second part of the A part. Open second, second string, second fret on the third string, and then pull off, and then fourth fret, fourth string, second fret, fourth string. Okay, so the whole of the A part. So that's the A part, which is nice, jaunty. It's got a nice bounce to it. And then the B part, which is really nice, really beautiful thing, and it's easy to get carried away in this. Anyway, so that's open second string. I'm using this chord shape here. So it's the fourth fret, third string, and the fifth fret on the fifth string. So that's open second string, bum bum, ditty. The ditty is a fifth string on the first string, and then fifth string. So the next part of the phrase, instead of hitting the second string, you hit the third string with the fourth fret. Then you move that whole shape down by 2 frets. So it's second fret on the third string and the third fret on the first string. So that just all moves down. Right, so hammer onto the fourth fret of the fourth string. So hammer on fourth fret, fourth string, open third, hammer on second fret, third string and pull off, and fourth fret, and then second fret, but don't go down any further. You can play the full chord if you want. And then it goes. So hammer on to the second fret, fourth string, then fourth fret, and then second fret. And what I do is I hit the open third string. And then you go on to the second string. So that's hammer on. Open, second fret, pull off, second fret, third and pull off. So that's then the open third, open second, and pull off. So the whole thing of the B part. That's that. Now you can do some up the neck versions of both of those bits. They both work really nicely, and so the higher version of the A part goes. Second string open, second fret, fourth fret, hammer onto the seventh fret on the fifth string, and drop thumb to the open second. Ninth fret, no, 10th fret, down to the 7th, and the 7th fret on the second string. So that's and that works nicely. So that's the A part high up, and the B part high up goes 10th, 9th, thought that if you've got the tune already, you'll have that in your head now, but it's... So that's open second, and fifth, slide up to the fourth on the second, and then the fifth fret on the first. Drop thumb to the second string, fourth fret, open first. And that's that. So there's up neck versions and down low versions. You can mix the two. So you can go high, a bit of an edit then, sorry for that. But anyway, that's the tune. You can mix and match the high A's and B's. You can do half of one and half of another. It's the tune, Elkins. And yeah, thanks very much. Cheers.